Yo, this is so important. This is so important. These notes, I wish you guys can note every time when I repeat something twice. It means it is very important. And when I overemphasize on something, it means it is highly important. So, price action. So the definition of price action, it describes the characteristics of a securities price movement. That's the simplest way to describe it. This movement is quite often analyzed with respect to the price changes in the recent past. It is a trading technique that allows a trader to read the market and make a subjective trading decision based on the recent and actual price movements rather than relying solely on technical indicators. Since price action ignores the fundamental analysis factors and focuses more on recent and past price movement, the price action trading strategy is dependent on the technical analysis tools. I wish you guys can mention for me the 5 technical tools that you know. I'm not gonna tell you. You guys gonna have to go Google them. If you don't know, just go check on your trading view 5 different technical tools. They are always on your left. You use them to help or to better your understanding of that particular technical analysis that you are doing. Those are technical analysis tools. Okay, let me give you examples. Your support, resistance, your trend lines, everything that you use to just help understand the market better, even your indicators sometimes. So price action trading steps. So now we are now on the second part, which is how to trade it. Experienced traders, they follow price action trading, where they keep multiple options of recognizing trading patterns, the entry and the exit levels, the stop losses, and related observations. So price action involves 2 scenarios. So these are the scenarios that are involved according to these steps, which is identifying a scenario, and within that scenario you have to identify the trading opportunities. So we're not gonna continue here. We're gonna go straight to a trading view to show the example. First, you have to identify a scenario. Secondly, you identify the trading opportunities within that scenario. So I want you guys to see this. I want you guys to see this. So I want you guys to see this. So we have here USD CAD. As you can see, it's USD CAD. It's the United States dollar against the Canadian dollar. So the first thing that we have learned from a previous slide is that you identify a scenario. So there is a scenario, you are looking at it, you are seeing that, oh wow, it's really a bullish momentum that is taking place at the time and moment. Like, you are highly likely to be looking for buys, and we are in a bullish trend. Like, you can tell that, wow, we are indeed in a bullish trend. This is a whole trend that is bullish right now. But as we analyze, we're like, is it really still bullish? Fine, you are identifying a scenario. You are looking that, oh, I want to trade USD CAD. That's the first step of technical analysis. The second step, within the scenario, identify the trading opportunities. Guys, within a scenario, you start applying your technical tools that will help you know the trading opportunities that you might have. So, before I could even identify a scenario, I was saying we're in a bullish market. But now, the fact that I identified a scenario, now I have my technical tools. I'm seeing we had a very bullish momentum. It was very bullish, but we broke below. So it means what? We're gonna come retest, and then from there we change direction. That's what I'm currently looking into. not gonna go deep into analyzing that much, but I just wanted to give examples of what I am currently teaching in my class. So I wanted to give an example of what I am currently teaching. So you identify a scenario, and then within that scenario you identify the trading opportunities. So the first option that we have here is that USD CAD might buy, and since it has broken below, it might retest on that support, on that resistance that was there before, and then from there we look for sales. If this was a fake breakout, then that means it's gonna start supporting here, and then we look for a push towards the upside. So that means we're gonna be now having a new structure that is introduced. It must come retest that structure and move further up. So let's continue with our analysis. I've showed an example on TradingView. So price action trading strategies are independent solely upon the interpretation of candles, candlesticks, patterns, support and resistance, pivot point analysis, Elliott wave theory, and chart patterns. Price action trading can be as simple or as complicated as you make them to be. Follow all FS Gold Forex trading strategies that are discussed in the course in order for you to master price action even better. The key thing for you is getting to a point where you can pinpoint the strategy that we will teach you. To start, focus on the morning setups. The morning is where you are likely to have the most success. Avoid the lunchtime and the end of the day setups until you are able to turn a profit trading before 11 or 11:30 a.m. depending on where you are in the world.